Good morning, guys. It's Ashley with A&L Bookkeeping. So today I want to talk about something that completely changes the way small businesses operate. If you're feeling like you're running your business in reaction mode, constantly putting out fires instead of steering the ship, those types of things, this is going to be your weekly money routine. And it's one of the simplest ways to get control of your cash flow, prevent month-end disasters, and make scaling feel more predictable instead of feeling so chaotic. So the problem is most business owners don't actually have a money problem. The problem is with their visibility. They're not reviewing their numbers consistently, so they only find out something went wrong after the damage is done. Customer hasn't paid in 45 days. A vendor bill doubled and no one noticed. Payroll hits and the bank account dips lower than you expected. Surprise tax payments wipe out all the progress they thought they made. And when that happens, business owners are going to start making decisions based on panic, not strategy, or reactiveness instead of proactiveness. There is a better way, one that can take 20 to 40 minutes each week. You don't have to be a numbers person. You don't have to understand everything about accounting. It's like a weekly money cadence. So this simple weekly rhythm is going to look like this. Pick a consistent time every week. Monday morning is great for me. Fresh start to the week, all that fun stuff. Work through these steps one by one, and it'll get faster as you go. Check your bank feeds, your banking activity, reconcile or review your new transactions. Take 5 or 10 minutes just to make sure that everything's clean and you can identify everything going in and out of the bank account. If you're working in your QuickBooks, then go ahead and manage it inside QuickBooks. This is going to keep your books accurate in real time instead of waiting for a giant headache at month end. Then you want to review your accounts receivable, your money that people owe you. Look at the invoices that are open and past due. Is there anyone who needs a reminder? What payments are expected this week? Is anything stuck because of a missing W-9 or some approval that needs to happen? Any cash delayed is potentially cash lost. This is where most businesses leak their money every single week. Just because it's billed out doesn't mean it's getting paid. Then you want to review your accounts payable. This is who you owe. Check the bills that are upcoming to be paid or upcoming due. Then ask yourself what needs to be paid this week, what can wait, are any of those bills incorrect or unexpected? This is going to prevent surprises and protect your cash flow. Then you want to review your cash position. Look at the balances today and then project just 1 to 2 weeks. What do you expect to come in those coming weeks? What's going to go out? What will payroll do to your balance? This is going to create a little more calm instead of the total chaos that you're used to. You're going to know what's coming. Then, if you use Profit First or some sort of basic allocation buckets with your checking accounts, make your transfers once per week. This is moving money from your operations accounts to accounts you have set up to purposely have a job for your money. That's like owner's pay, profit reserves, operating expenses, taxes, payroll, cost of goods. When you schedule this rhythm every week, you're never going to have that sinking feeling of wondering if there's enough money. Now, there's all sorts of reasons why this works, but this routine eliminates 2 major killers to business: month-end panic and guessing instead of planning. Instead, you're going to get more visibility, more control. You can plan for intentional growth, and you're going to build your confidence in your decision-making because you can see what's going on. Scaling doesn't get harder. It just exposes the cracks that are already there. This weekly cadence will protect you before you feel the pain. Now, if you're overwhelmed right now, you don't have to spend all your time playing financial detective. This weekly rhythm could feel heavy, confusing, or maybe you don't have the time, or your time is better spent on something that's going to produce more income. That's where we come in. At A&L, we're going to help business owners build the money routines that work for them and relieve the burden where we can step in. We maintain the books, we flag the problems before they become emergencies, and we partner with you through advisory to help you make smart decisions once the numbers are clean. Imagine walking into every week knowing exactly where your cash stands and being confident about it instead of surprised or stressed. If that sounds like the calm you've been craving, reach out and we will help you build your rhythm and cadence.